What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. And this time we are kicking off the Christmas cocktail, starting off with the winter sour. So it's an interesting bitter sour drink, this one. But if you like sour cocktails, you'll love this one. So it's got Campari in it with Clover honey syrup, lemon juice. I'm using citric acid dilution. You can use Mayor's lemon if you've got it. And of course egg whites, but I'm using a better foam, Miraculous Better Bitters, as my substitution for the egg white. So to make this cocktail, guys, we're going to do a dry shake first. So get your shaker and put in the ingredients. So first ingredient to the tin, guys, is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Clover honey syrup. So to make it, it's just Clover honey mixed in with water. You just put it in a saucepan, put it on a medium heat and let it dissolve together, and that's what creates the Clover honey syrup. Next is your lemon juice, or citric acid dilution. That is my substitution for the lemon juice. So 45ml or 1.5 ounce again. Last ingredient to the tin, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of Campari. What we're going to do now, guys, is add the Miraculous Better Bitters, or your egg white if you've got it. 1 egg white or Miraculous Better Bitters. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in 2 pipettes for this. Make it nice and foamy. So put your lid on and give it a nice hard shake for 15 seconds. So what we do now is we add the ice. Now give it a good shake for 10 seconds. So get your cocktail glass straight into your cocktail glass now. I'm using a coupe. So you can see it's a nice foamy cocktail, this one. Just let it settle and it's absolutely beautiful. Because it's got a nice big foam head on it. And the final thing to do now is to garnish it with a rosemary sprig. And there we go. One winter sour. Doesn't it just look beautiful with the rosemary sprig in it? And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one winter sour to kick off the December series, the Christmas cocktails. Absolutely beautiful. So if you like sour cocktails, this is for you, especially if you love Campari and done it just to deliver. It looks absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to taste this. How does it taste? Tastes like a Christmas Negroni. That's what it reminds me of. Those famous bitter notes coming from the Campari, just hitting through, absolutely beautiful, with a nice zesty taste with the citric acid. Because I can't wait to taste this, especially if I had Mayor's lemon juice, just to see if it tasted any different. But it's really, really nice. I'd probably rate that 8.5 out of 10. If you love sour, this is for you, especially if you've got that bitter palate taste. It's a required taste, it's specific. Not everyone will like this, but if you like bitter, you will like this. It's absolutely lovely. Especially with the taste notes of the honey just dripping through it. It's just, the chef's kiss. Absolutely beautiful. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more Christmas cocktails like this, more winter cocktails, as I will be doing many more throughout the month of December, as I can't wait to get the party started. But I've been MixedSid, this has been the Winter Sour, and I will see you guys for the next Christmas cocktail. Cheers.